What is sys.maxint in Python 3? I've been trying to find out how to represent a maximum integer, and I've read to use sys.maxint. However, in Python 3 when I call it I get
The sys.maxint constant was removed, since there is no longer a limit to the value of integers. However, sys.maxsize can be used as an integer larger than any practical list or string index. It conforms to the implementation's natural integer size and is typically the same as sys.maxint in previous releases on the same platform, assuming the same build options. This URL
As pointed out by others, Python 3's int does not have a maximum size, but if you just need something that's guaranteed to be higher than any other int value, then you can use the float value for infinity, which you can get with floatinf. In Python 3.5 onwards, you can use math.inf. Note, as per Ely's comment, this may impact the efficiency of your code, so it may not be the best solution.
If you are looking for a number that is bigger than all others. Method 1. Method 2. If you are looking for a number that is smaller than all others. Method 1. Method 2. Method 1 works in both Python 2 and Python 3. Method 2 works in Python 3. I have not tried method 2 in Python 2.
Python 3 ints do not have a maximum. If your purpose is to determine the maximum size of an int in C when compiled the same way Python was, you can use the struct module to find out. If you are curious about the internal implementation details of Python 3 int objects, look at sys.int_info for bits per digit and digit size details. No normal program should care about these.
If you want to share more classical subscription